Hey, welcome back to Glitchy University. In this video, I'll give you a Facebook or Meta Business Center walkthrough and ad account walkthrough. We will go through all the useful features that you'll need. I'll show you how to create a pixel, where to connect everything, and give you a rundown on the Ads Manager. So let's just begin. This is our Ad Manager, and this is where we're going to create ad campaigns. But before we do, if you watched the previous video, then we left off when we were adding the payment info. Once you've added the payment info, now is the time to create the pixel. So let's just jump right in. Go to All Tools and then to the Events Manager. Click on Connect Data, select Web and click Next. And then just give your dataset a name and click Create. Click Next and you can exit this pop-up. Now click Go to Data Sources and now go to Settings. Now we need to connect this pixel to the ad account, so select Share with Ad Account. Click on Connect Assets and then select Other Business Assets. Select your ad account by name and then click Add. And there we go, that's all done now. After we've connected the ad account for the third-party tracking setup, you will need to generate an access token. You can do so by scrolling under Set up Direct Integration and click on Generate Access Token. This token will be necessary for the third-party conversion postback setup, so it's very important that you have this. Now over here under Details, Dataset ID is the pixel ID that you're going to use, so everything is in one place. We can now click back to the Ads Manager. If you click on All Tools, these are all the tools you can use in the Business Center. There are countless different options and stuff we can do. Now under Manage, it's really straightforward. It's where you can access the business settings. Now of course, all these different options might seem quite daunting, but there's only a few that you actually need to use. So of course, the business settings, billing and payments, instant forms, media library, and file management. Under Advertise is the Ad Manager and Audiences. Let's actually just take a look at Audiences. So I'm just going to go to Audiences, and this is the place where we can create custom audiences and lookalike audiences. If we have, for example, an email list or something like that, we can then create a custom audience. And we can also create custom audiences based on our pixel data. So for advertising with Meta, it's very important to have a pixel. And always having proper postback is also very important. So you can upload customer lists here if you have one, and we can also create a lookalike audience here. Events Manager is where you can manage pixels. Then of course there's the automation rules. You can just browse through them. There's different reports and analyze tools, audience insights, creative reporting. There's just loads of different stuff you can mess around with. The most useful tools that you're actually going to use regularly are the Ads Manager, Events Manager, and you'll probably use the page posts as well. Page posts are basically like spark codes. If you're familiar with using a spark code on TikTok, it's basically a token allowing you to promote an actual TikTok as an ad. This code is amazing if you want to keep your engagement across ad campaigns. It's really important to use a code like this when you're using the same ad across different ad groups, because you'll keep the engagement on the post across any ad group. So as you can see, there's loads of different things you can mess around with, but these shortcuts up at the top are the main ones you'll be using. On these columns, we can see different data, like the amount spent, and we can also do breakdowns if you want to see which age groups are performing the best, like the placement, country, platform, different demographics, delivery. We can also filter all of that. And one more thing that's definitely worth mentioning is if you want to invite someone like a second profile as an admin or share a business center with someone, you can do that if you go to All Tools and click on Business Settings. Then go under People, and this is where you can invite someone. Invite their email and you can give them access to certain ad accounts or certain assets. Also, by going to this page, you can see all of the ad accounts we have, all of the assets. Also on this page, we can manage all the pages we have, we can see all the ad accounts, and we can also see the connected Instagram accounts. If you have an Instagram account for your page, then you can connect that as well. And like I said before, the payment and billing info is here. But if you watched the previous video, then that should be set up already. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of navigating the Meta Ads Manager. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.